You're probably wondering how I got here 5 months later, so let's rewind.
Come on, Harry, we want to say goodnight to you.
Good morning. Today is my 22nd birthday. We have a whole fun day ahead of us, a whole fun celebration, everything, and let's go with the video. We're gonna go to the rooftop, get drinks, margs, food, all that. Sammy's birthday, guys. Wish her happy birthday. In
22, babe. We start happy birthday in 3 weeks for this.
Literally, or 2 months, whenever I post it. Look who's here! Grant just showed up from work.
It's like 95 right now. This is ridiculous.
95. Literally 89.
We're gonna go get dinner at a favorite restaurant, which is Giuseppe's.
Alright, I am heading back to my room right now to start getting ready for dinner. We're going to Giuseppe's. I have my little dorky but cute birthday hat on. It was fun that all my roommates did that, but this hotel is seriously amazing. I wish I had been to it earlier. I love it. Sorry. Look how sweet. Grant went and brought me June shine kombuchas and sunflowers. So cute. I love it. I'm so confused. I just got this mystery flowers delivered. So here is what I'm wearing. I got this dress a very long time ago, and I got it from, put it right here when I finally remember. And I'm also wearing my Ana Luisa jewelry. These nails are press-ons from that brand Shot My Honeymoon Phase. Alright, so this is the part of the vlog where things got a little crazy.